Hi ladies! So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this glowy makeup look. So if you want to know how I did it, then just keep watching. So first, naglagay na ako ng moisturizer and primer. I'm using Fenty Beauty. Next, I'm taking my foundation. This is Fit Me Foundation from Maybelline in the shade 220. Next, I'm taking my concealer. This is also Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. Next, we're gonna bake our under eye. I'm using Morphe loose powder in the shade Banana. For the cheeks, I'm using Sunnies Face Cheek Tint in the shade Disco. I'm applying it sa cheeks hanggang sa may dulo for that flushed look. And also sa nose. Next, I'm taking my Sunnies Face Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. Naglalagay lang ako ng product sa middle part ng eyebrows hanggang tip para mas mukhang natural looking. Next, I'm using the House of Doll Brow Gel to help me achieve that bushy eyebrows. For the eyes, I'm taking my EB Advanced Eyeconic Eyeshadow palette and putting it on my crease. To give our eyes more depth, I'm using this dark brown shade from Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. We're gonna make a V shape in the outer corner of our eye. Just like that. And then we're gonna blend it. I'm going to reapply the first shade that we used from Ever Bilena Eyeconic Eyeshadow palette kasi nawala siya while we were blending. Next, I'm taking my BTLA Luminous Highlighter Drops. This is really nice. I highly recommend this product kasi super pigmented niya. To set our eyes, I'm using Anastasia Glow Kit. If you have any champagne color eyeshadow, you can also use that. and then we blend them together. Then we remove the setting powder under our eyes. I'm gonna put on mascara. This is from Faceshop. You can curl your lashes first, pero kasi hindi ako nag-curl ng lashes kasi may trauma ako. I'm going to put on my false eyelashes. This is only 50 pesos from Divisoria. I'm taking my Morphe eyeliner pencil in the shade black to tightline my eyes. Careful not to poke your eyes. Then I'm taking the eyeshadow that we used earlier from Everbelana Eyeconic eyeshadow to put on my lower lash line. Then we're gonna use our highlighter drops again. We're gonna highlight our cheeks and nilalagay ko siya hanggang forehead. I'm also gonna apply on the tip of my nose and sa bridge. And don't forget the chin. For contour, I'm using my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette in the shade Shadowplay. I'm also gonna contour my nose and I'm applying the product hanggang kilay para magmukhang matangos yung bridge ng nose. We're gonna set our makeup using MAC setting spray. For extra highlight, I am taking my Anastasia Glow Kit again and putting it on where we put the highlighter drops para mas blinding yung ating highlighter. Then I'm putting it on the tear ducts and also below the brow bone. Lastly, for the lips, I'm taking my Sunnies Face Cheek Tint that we use for our cheeks and applying it to my lips. Yung center lang ng lips yung nilalagyan ko for that gradient effect. And we're almost done. Lastly, we're gonna put on lip gloss. I am using the lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. Niregalo lang to sa akin. So if you have any lip gloss, that's okay. As long as it's clear, you can use it. So here's the final look. Something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. guys enjoy my video, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and I'll see you again soon.